Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Xero with Square. First of all, we are going to log in into our accounts at Xero and Zapier and possibly Square. First of all, I want to show you I'm using this trial account, but if you go sharp with your account, you can't really damage anything. So in Xero you can't create this integration straight away, so we need to use third-party software. In our case, it's Zapier. With Zapier, there is an option, this plus option of create Zap. For this, obviously, we have to log in into the Zapier. As I said before on the start of the video, we click on create Zap, and we are greeted with this option of first trigger. Trigger will be Xero. At the moment it's on premium option, so good for us. Event, there's a couple of options that we can go with, like new contact, new payment, new purchase order. Let's go with new purchase order, but for the sake of this video it doesn't actually matter. We hit continue, and here we have to pick an Xero account. If you are doing this for the first time, this is my 10th integration, as you can see, or 11th, you'll be asked to sign in. Once you sign in, you just hit continue, organization, MK tutorials. Most likely it will be name of your account at Xero, and purchase order status, let's go with authorized, and hit continue. Here is a room for us to test a trigger. So we can test the trigger, but this will fail. Oh, okay, it doesn't. I thought it's gonna fail because we haven't got our thingy ready, but yeah, new purchase order works because I believe I already have purchase orders created, and we hit continue. You see we received all the green lights, and the second one will be an action. So right now we are going to hit the Square option. Event, let's go with add customer to the group, for example, continue, and then you'll get asked to sign in into Square. At the moment I don't have a Square I don't have the Square account, but you'll basically just hit the sign in option, and once you do that, just accept all cookies, you address, email, and password, and that's it. You hit continue and finish integrations. You can consider yourself finished with this integration, and that's about it. If you have any types of questions, guys, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.